Where the hell's Elvira, Ernie? It's late. Go find her, will you? Jesus. Fucking broad. She spends half her life dressing. The other half, undressing.
You gotta get her in between. She's coming.
Yeah. You gotta jump on her when she's not looking.
At the best time.
Hey, what are you guys doing tonight? You want to go to a nice restaurant with me? You hungry?
Hey, I could eat a horse.
Okay, they're going to cook you a horse. Well, tell me, where'd they get you? Right there on the side?
It's nothing, man. It went right through me, you know. Hit the wall. I ran out of bullets like an asshole. And while I'm standing there changing the clip, the little motherfucker who I killed already but was not dead shot me.
You know, he shows you.
No, the guy was behind me. I killed him.
How many bullets you got?
Bullets was 1 bullet. 9 millimeters. Nothing. What was lucky was that Gigi came in at that time with his magnum, which was bigger than him, blew the fuck away. And I had already killed the lady who was sitting on the bed, who did not look like a lady. She was too fucking ugly.
Elvira, where the hell you been? It's 10 o'clock, baby. I'm starving.
You're always hungry. You should try starving.
Where you going? Come on. Come over here. I want you to meet a friend of mine. Come on. Tony Montana. Mira.
Hello.
Manny Rivera. Ira.
So, there are 5 of us. Where are we having dinner?
I thought we'd go to the Babylon Club.
Again.
Again.
You know, Frank, if anyone ever wanted to assassinate you, you wouldn't be too hard to find.
Assassinate me? Who the hell would want to kill me? I got nothing but friends.
You never know, do you? Maybe the catcher on your little league team.
The catcher? That son of a bitch didn't get a base hit all season. I should kill him.
I'll tell you what. Let's play a game. And if you win, I'll give you the Book of Peace. There it is, noble hero. Not so fast. My game has rules, Sinbad. I'll ask you a question. One simple question. If you answer truthfully, the book is yours.
Give me your word.
You still don't trust me?
No.
Isn't it a pity we live in such skeptical times? Oh, all right. You have my word as a goddess. Fair enough?
Ask your question.
Excellent. Now, we all know what happens if you get the Book of Peace. You return it to Syracuse and save Proteus. But if you don't get the book, you have a choice to make. Either sail to paradise with the woman of your dreams, or return to Syracuse to die. You're either a thief or a hero. So here's my question, Sinbad. If you don't get the book, will you go back to die?
I will go back.
You're lying. Mom?
We found you.
I missed you so much. I missed you too, Jelly Bean. It's okay. I'm here now. We have time. No more last-minute business trips, okay?
I promise.
No, it's okay. It's all right. Just don't worry about me. I'll be fine.
Dad.
Scott.
Miss Van Dyne. It's nice to... Well, I guess we've already met.
Pretty little thing. Nice and easy. Yeah.
I just love a big, strong man who's not afraid to show it with someone half his size. Be gentle, it's my first time. Thanks, You make it so easy, don't you? Always waiting for some bad man to save you. I am